How do fish control their buoyancy in the ocean? Imagine swimming through a vast, endless blue world where staying at just the right depth is like a balancing act. Fish have mastered this skill to move smoothly without wasting energy. So, how do they do it? It all comes down to controlling their buoyancy, which is the force that keeps them afloat or helps them sink. Buoyancy depends on the balance between the fish's weight and the water it pushes away. Different fish have different tricks to manage this balance based on their body structure and habitat. Most bony fish, like tuna, cod, and bass, have a special organ called a swim bladder. This is a gas-filled sac inside their body that acts like a built-in float. When a fish wants to rise higher in the water, it fills its swim bladder with gas, making it less dense and helping it float up. To sink, it releases gas, increasing its density and causing it to go down. This process allows fish to stay at a certain depth without constantly swimming. The position of the swim bladder also helps keep the fish upright and stable as it moves. As fish change depth, the pressure from the water increases or decreases. When they go deeper, the pressure compresses the gas in the swim bladder, making it smaller. To stay neutrally buoyant, fish need to add gas when moving up and remove gas when moving down. Some fish can gulp air from the surface and transfer it into their swim bladder through a direct connection. Others use special blood vessels and glands to slowly transfer gases between their bloodstream and the swim bladder, which is better for deep-sea fish. Not all fish have swim bladders. Sharks, rays, and other cartilaginous fish lack this organ. Instead, they rely on large livers filled with oils like squalene. These oils are less dense than water and give the sharks a natural lift. But this lift is static, so sharks need to keep swimming to stay afloat. They use their fins, especially their pectoral fins, like wings to glide and maintain their position in the water. Behavior also helps fish control their position. Many species rest in areas like coral reefs where currents are weaker. This saves energy because they don't have to fight the water to stay in place. Predators often use these structures to ambush prey, which helps them conserve energy too. In summary, fish use a mix of organs, body chemistry, and movement to control their buoyancy. Bony fish adjust their swim bladder to stay at the right depth, while sharks and rays relying on their oily livers and constant swimming. These strategies help them live comfortably in their watery world, whether they are hunting, hiding, or just drifting along.